Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use webcam in mobile. So it is very easy. You will just need a OTG cable. So this OTG cable I have, which I'm going to connect in my mobile phone. And once you connect your OTG cable in mobile phone, you need to connect your webcam on OTG cable. And as you do this, just go and open your settings on mobile phone, and here we need to search OTG, because in some mobile phones you need to manually turn on OTG connection. So I'm gonna on my OTG connection. Once you turn on it, we just need to install a application by the name of USB camera. So you can just search it on Play Store. So let me search. There are many apps available in the market. You can use any of them, but I'm going to use USB camera. So let me install it first. Once it is installed, you need to open the application. Then application will ask for some permission, so we just need to click on OK. Whatever they are asking, just click on OK and just give them permissions. I'm going to click on while using this application, so you just need to click on OK. You need to do this couple of times, and then just after allowing all the necessary permissions, you will see that the webcam is successfully connected to our phone. And yeah guys, that's how you can connect your webcam, use your webcam in mobile phone. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.